Guys! Okay, so I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded. I honestly, like, I'm gonna be real honest, I haven't been in the mood to upload. Like, I haven't been in the mood to film, I've been in the mood to do this and that, whatever. And also, like, so I've been trying to, like, figure out different spots in my room to film, you guys. And, like, the lighting-wise change. Right now I'm using natural lighting, so hello, this is all natural. My ring light's right over there. But I've been, like, trying to figure out, like, what works best and stuff, and I've just been struggling. Like, I don't want to, like, seem to be, like, forcing out a video, you know what I mean? And so, like, the lighting has not been in my favor. However, I figured, like, why not just do it in front of, like, my big main window right here? Like, I have two, one over there and one over here. But one over here is, like, the sun comes out. So I figured, like, hey, like, I'll do it. And so far, I think this is looking great. I was going to do, like, a little story time, but then I failed at that, so that's canceled. But today I just want to do something fun. Like, honestly, I was like, what video should I do? Like, what? You know, blah, blah, blah. But I was like, no, like, I'm just bored. I am tired. This is my room. You can kind of see a little bit of it. It looks really nice. But, yeah, no, I'm just tired, you guys. And I literally have my vinyls up there. So if you guys haven't seen the title, this is just basically going to be me showing you guys my collection of vinyls because I have nothing else to do and no other video ideas. So, here we go. So I have a total of 4 vinyls, 4 or 5 vinyls. Let me check. But okay, so I'm gonna start with my personal favorite vinyl. Now I bought this vinyl like, I want to say 2-3 years ago maybe, and it is like this Lana Del Rey Born to Die vinyl. This is like my favorite album, you guys. I listen to this religiously. This is my favorite one. This one's unopened, so what I plan on doing is I want to have like vinyls like that are not like packaged wise like this, and I just want to have a collection of them just like to stay there. And then I have another like collection where they are opened and I can have like the vinyl and play it and, you know, like hang up like my little like vinyl like covers. I have 2 right here of Lana Del Rey. I'll show you guys actually. I have 2 of them right there, you guys, and I did it for like a little bit of like decor and stuff, and then like if you look down below it has like a little stuff. Basically I want to have 2 of each album, so one that's like covered, not opened, anything, and one that's opened and I can hang all of the covers and stuff and make like a little collage or something. So that's really cool. But okay, so what came in that one was like this little like poster, and the back like has all of like her songs, her literally iconic great songs. This was actually from that vinyl that I just hung up. I think this one's it. This looks like it. It's like this. All vinyls come in like this little white thing, as far as I know, like my vinyls. And then it's like, it's black, and it has like little like roses and stuff, and I think it's so cute, you guys. And then, does it say? Yeah, it says A at the bottom, so like side A, I guess. But yeah, this is like the Born This Way. Why am I saying Born This Way? Born to Die vinyl. I love this album. I play every single, like I play the album almost at least one song a day, if not a lot of the songs. I love that album, you guys. That album is like my life. Like that's my, like, I listen to that religiously. And I also have like the CDs, the CD, like the Born to Die CD. I got it for like $7, you guys. So, okay, speaking of Lana, I have another one of hers. And this one is kind of opened a little bit, but that's fine. I'm just going to leave it like this. Maybe I might get a new one. I don't know. But this is the Paradise one, you guys. This is like a really pretty cover, actually. I like this. I like how she had like her name and then like the album title at the bottom. I love that. And then like the back and whatever. Yeah, this one's kind of bended because when I moved, like, I guess I piled just a bunch of stuff on top of it. But I don't know. I might just keep this. I might just give it to someone just for free or, you know, something, or sell it. I don't know. But I love this album, you guys. I love a lot of the songs on here. And I actually have the, like, little... This is what it came with. I think this is so gorgeous. I love this. I might just, like, hang this up and frame it or something, but this is so cute. It has all of her songs back there. And, like, all of the, like, oh, no, this is, like, the lyrics. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, so this is, like, I love that one. I like the cover. It was so pretty, you guys. And then the CD is just black. I like it. Ooh, wait. Oh. Oh, this feels weird. Oh, wow. Anywho, it's like black, and then it has like little like, if you see, it has also like side A again, and then it has like little like flowers around. So I kind of like it, you guys. This is actually a cute one. The vinyls that I've had are usually black. Now some of them are different, but usually the ones that I have are like a black. And then I have like the like second one up there, like along with the Born to Die as like decor and stuff. So the third one that I got, now I got this one because it was like, I think it was limited edition, I'm not 100% sure. And also, I'm sorry if the lighting changes, like the sun, the clouds are covering, the clouds are not. But I think this was limited edition, I think. So yeah, I think this was limited edition, but I got the Melanie Martinez Crybaby Extra Clutter, which basically has all of her bonus track songs from Crybaby on it. And this one, as you can see, like I have like these like little tapes back here that I would use on my old tests. If you guys ever saw my old videos with like the blue background, and I had the Born to Die vinyl cover on it, and this one. I don't know, some of you guys might remember it, some of you guys might not, but that was like a long time ago. But okay, so when you open this one didn't come with the poster, like as far as, unless if I didn't check in here. No, this one didn't come with one, you guys. I wish it would, because it's cute, but it's okay. And it always comes with this. And then when you pull it out, it's just another like pretty much cute little black one. It has like a like pink little thing on it, and then the second one, which is like a little bit of a like mint teal green. And then it has like the title tracks too, which is very cute. I like this, you guys. And the last vinyl, which by far is my favorite vinyl. This one I just got today, actually. I don't know why my stomach feels a little bit weird, you guys. I just got this one today, and this is by far one of my absolute favorites. I love this one. I'm definitely going to get another copy of this, so I could just have it like hanging up. That's not like, it's brand new, like packaged, not open and stuff. But I got the Kim Petras Turn Off the Light ones. I actually took the sticker off of the like cover and just like sticked it on the actual vinyl. You guys can see, yeah, stick it on the actual vinyl, you guys. This is the back, and it has like all of the like cover, I mean the like tracks and whatever. So this one like left me shook when I got this. I was like, oh my gosh, because I've been waiting for this forever, you guys. And at first I was gonna get it, but then I was like, no, I don't want to get it right now. Like, I can get it later. But it was like a limited edition. This was like a limited edition. This I think I got the pink swirl, and when you open it, it literally has this like beautiful cover. I love this, you guys. This is literally so cute, so amazing for Halloweenish. And then like on the back has like all the title tracks, by the way. But actually I love this, you guys. This is so cute. I love this. And then this is my favorite vinyl, and I'll tell you guys why. If you guys haven't seen any like unboxing like videos or anything yet, I'll explain to you why this is my favorite vinyl. But it comes with like this little white thing, of course. And then when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is, just looking at it right now, I love this, you guys. So this is like a little like pink, and like it looks like an eyeball almost, you guys. And it's like pink, and it has like a pink swirl, if you guys can see. Like, it's literally so cool. And I know if I lift it up, it's like white because the sun in my window. But like, literally so cool. And I absolutely love this one. This is my favorite vinyl, the coolest one I've ever had, because the rest are literally black. Like, there's just like black and then like little like circle with like the title and whatever. But this is absolutely like amazing. Definitely, like, if you're a vinyl lover, like a vinyl like lover, like I would totally get this. Like, this is so cute. It's like a different design. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to play it. I got this one today, so I'm like, oh my gosh, this was so pretty. I'm gonna get the hot pink one, but I'm not gonna open that one. I'm just gonna leave that like packaged and stuff. But I'm definitely gonna get the hot pink one. I cannot wait for that one. But this one I'm definitely gonna play and put on my record player and stuff. And yeah, so this is literally it. These are all of the collections that I've had the past few like weeks, years and stuff. So I am honestly very pumped. I'm gonna get more vinyls for sure, you guys. I am actually a like vinyl person. Like, I love them. Actually, I had a like record player, right, you guys, and then I sold it because it was this like blue one, and like the top was like white, and it just got dirty just because I left it not closed, and I left it open, and just like dust and it just stuck on it. So I'm probably gonna get a new one. I sold that one, so I'm definitely gonna get a new one. I'm so excited. I don't know where to put it in my room. I might just put it right here or something. But that was it. This video, you guys, is literally just a simple video. It's just me talking about my favorite vinyls and my vinyl collection. If you guys want, if you love, like, I like vinyls, I like record players. If you guys are into that, like, totally get one. I think it's so cute, and it's just, it's beautiful. Like, I like it. I like vinyl collecting. It makes me feel like I'm, like, retro and, like, vintage and stuff. So, yeah, that's it. This was just a little fun video, you guys. I really don't care if, like, one person watches this video or, like, 5,000, you know what I mean? Like, this was just something fun. I don't really, honestly, like, right now, like, I'm literally not, like, I want to make a video for views, you know what I mean? Like, I don't really, like, care for that. Like, I tried filming videos before, and I was like, oh, like, this video totally sucks. And it's not that I don't want to make videos, you guys. It's literally just, it's like video blocking. Like, I cannot think of videos to do. And then there's some videos I want to do, and I'm just like, maybe not today, you know. And then just school and stuff. And I do photography also, so I have, like, a few little gigs and stuff here and there. But I've honestly been okay. I'm just living life, you guys. Just doing college, living in the moment. I'm uploading videos here and there. I just don't feel the need to upload every week anymore. Like, I know I said in my last video, like, I want to upload every week, blah, blah, blah. But I just don't feel like it, you know what I mean? And it's okay. Like, you're not forced to, you know, do it every week. I don't know. I don't really care that much anymore. But, yeah, I will upload more videos for sure, though. I'm not just gonna, you know, be like, you know what? Never mind, I'm leaving, you know. No, I like making videos, actually. But today I just wanted to do a little, like, vinyl collection, because I got a new vinyl, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to show everyone this, and I don't know. I like vinyls, so, yeah. But if you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And don't forget to join the squad and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!